Hi everyone, Yvette St.Amant here.
I'm excited to share that I have another class for you. This is an advanced abstract class. In this class, we will expand on the beginner class and focus on composition and configuration of your abstract paintings. This is going to allow you to be a lot more creative by thinking more about your composition and how you can place objects on various configurations like panels, squares, and 2:3 ratio paintings. I've carefully created this course because you will be using the beginner abstract techniques that I've taught you and build off them using advanced techniques such as collage, pattern, and design elements within your abstract painting. And we're going to get more in depth on the layering process and different paint applications to achieve a lot of interesting elements within your abstract paintings. I really want you to feel confident knowing that I'm going to take you step by step with ease and teach you these techniques in advanced abstracts.
I want you to come and join me, try a new skill. I guarantee you're going to have a lot of fun and just get a little bit creative with me.